When you create a new sequence in Premiere, the new sequence window will open. The presets window offers a range of options for certain camera systems, but it's often easier to click through to the settings tab where you will have more control over your settings. For the editing mode option, open the window and scroll up to choose Custom. Next, you'll need to change your frame rate to match what you want to export your video in. We're in the UK, so we're going to select 25 frames per second as that's the standard here. Next, choose your frame size. If you filmed in 4K, you might want to use a 4K timeline. So here we're changing the 1080 resolution to 4K, which is 3840 by 2160. Make sure your pixel aspect ratio is set to square pixels 1.0 and the field option to no fields progressive scan. You can keep the video display formats and the audio settings as standard unless you've got a specific requirement. It's best to keep the preview file format on iframe only MPEG and make sure maximum bit depth and maximum render quality options are turned off. You can choose to save these settings as a custom preset to use in the future, and then finally name your sequence and start editing.